Hello friends. So today we have another chapter in grammar, our tutorials, negation. Negation is the process of forming negative sentences. Negative sentences means something that said no. Opposite of that is positive sentence. Or we can say something that tells you yes. So positive sentence means positive. Means it has the meaning of yes, positive. And negative, opposite of positive is negative, and that is no. That's the meaning, general meaning is it. That's the general. What is negative? If I give you an example, say, he is playing. That is positive. He is playing. Negative will be he is not playing. That's it. So he is playing means yes. That is yes situation. When you have got he is not playing, a no situation. Understand? I said, I am reading. I am not reading. Negative. So what you have to do is, in a positive sentence, or we say assertive sentence. Another meaning, another word for that is asserting, assertive sentence. Saying that something is there, assertion. Positive or assertive. Either we can say positive or we can say assertive. Assertive. That is, assertive sentence or positive sentence will tell you that something is there. Yes, he is there. Yes. He is not there. No. The sky is there. Yes. The sky is not there. That cannot be. But there is no situation. So yes situation is positive or assertive, and no situation is negative. I think that is clear. Okay. That concept is clear. Now, how to form? Now, what are the functions? How to form, etc. we shall see later. What are the functions? First is that an assertion about something. That's also a function. To state that, see, the best way is to illustrate with an example. You say that I won't be available tomorrow. I won't be available. I won't be available. Sentence is negative, but it tells you a fact. Asserting a fact. Isn't it? I won't be available tomorrow. I won't be living tomorrow. So that is. We can say, see, I won't be coming. Or I won't be late. I won't be late. He is not there. So that is also asserting. He is not there. Using a negative, you are asserting, you are stating something. He is not there. Or are they sleeping? They are not sleeping. So that is, you say about something, you use negative for saying about something. That is asserting about something means. So that is the first one. Assertion of something. Understand? The fact. Then the second use is, see, deny the truth of something. Denying the truth. Denying the truth. For example, you say that you are sad. You are asked. You are sad. You are sad. Now you deny that. What do you say? No, I am not. No, I am not. No, I am not. Understand? No, I am not. You cannot say I amn't. You can say isn't, aren't, but you cannot say amn't. You can only say I am not. There the contraction is only you can use, you have to use the negative word in its full form. It is not. But you can contract am by an apostrophe. I am not. So that is what you are denying a truth. Isn't it? You are sad, that is a fact. But the person who is responding saying, no, I am not. So that is denial of a truth. Listen. You like fruits. No, I don't. You like fruits? You like fruits. No, I don't. No, I don't. So that is denial. You really want to sleep? That is a fact. But the person denies, no, I don't. You want to go for an excursion? Really, the fact is that he wants to go. That is the truth. But I say, no, I don't. No, I don't. So that is denying the truth of something. That is the second function of negation. First is asserting about something. See, I won't be at home. Or he isn't coming. He isn't coming. It's a fact that he isn't coming. But you are using a negative sentence. Second is, you deny the truth of something. See? You are tired? The teacher asks, you are tired? No, I am not. No, I am not. So that is actually denying the truth. He is actually suffering from fatigue. He is sitting like this in the class. Are you tired? No, I am not. He wants to show that he is very energetic and very smart. And the third use of negative is refusal. Yes, sir. Would you like to have a cup of tender coconut water? Would you like to have? Then what is it? No, I don't. That is refusal. No, I don't. Then another. Would you like to go to the library? No, I don't. That is, you are refusing. No, I'll give permission to go to the library. No, I don't want. So that is refusal. If you wish, you can go and join the cricket team. No, I don't want. No, I don't. Refusal. I'll give permission to go for film. No, we don't. We don't want your permission. Refusal. So these are the ways by which you use negatives. The use of negatives is very important in our communication. Because all the time you cannot say yes, yes, yes. Sometimes you have to say no. As for example, these are functions, so to say. Say, assertion about something. He won't be there. I won't be taking the exam. So I won't be taking the exam. That is asserting something, about exam. I won't be telling the story tomorrow. No, sir, I won't be coming for the seminar. So that is asserting something. I won't be coming. I will be coming, opposite of that is I won't be coming. I will be coming is also assertion, but by negative also we can assert. Negative sentence also we can assert. The next is denying the truth of something. Are you the follower of Jesus? No, I am not. Actually, you remember when a woman asked Saint Peter that he is also the follower of Jesus of Nazareth. He denied it. No, I don't know that man. So denying the truth. So again say, you are hungry. You want some food. He is very hungry. Probably he might have not eaten for days, but because of his self-respect, he says, no, I don't. I don't want. I don't want. Or you say, you ask, would you like to, share room with me in the hostel? The single room costly. I know that he wants to share the room with me, but he said, no, I don't. That is a refusal. So deny the truth or something. Deny the truth. You are going to get first class and first rank? No, who told you? Denying a fact. He knew already he is going to get the first rank. He said, no, who told you? That is. So assert something about something, denying the truth, and then refusal. Very often we say, you please enter the class. No, I won't. Please take the front seat. No, I don't want. Please take the front seat. No, I don't want. Please stand up. No, I won't. No, nobody will say like that. You want to go out? No, I don't. That is refusal. So these are the functions of negative. 1, assert about something. 2, deny the truth of something. And 3, refusal. So you will have sentences or no? Examples for each, then it will be clearer to you. So asserting about something. I won't be there. I won't be there. I won't be there. Asserting. I won't be there. Don't look for me. Don't wait for me. Then denying. Example for denying. You are happy today? No, I am not. He is really happy, but he wants to say that he wants to pretend that he is sad. No, so that is denying the truth. You are the first one? No, I am not. He is the first one. Everybody knows that. I am not. Then refusal. Third one is example. Would you like to sleep? Would you like to sleep? No, I don't. No, I don't. So that is refusal. So here it is assertion about something. Assertion about something. Then next is denying the truth. Deny the truth. But that is refusal. I think that's clear to you. It's simple concepts, but of course you should have this. You should have this knowledge how negative works. How to form negatives we will see later. But how negative works in our day-to-day communication. How important it is. Because all the time you cannot say yes, yes, yes. You say, I will be there, I will be available. How will you say your absence? I won't be available. That's also a fact, statement of a fact. I won't be. Assertion here is a statement of a fact. A negative fact, you can say. Negative fact. I think it's clear. Further explanation may sometimes spoil the whole thing, and therefore now you can make sentences based on this, say, assertion about something, denying the truth of something, refusal. Say 10 sentences, 30 sentences. So that will be simple sentences like this. Or you can have as a conversation. You can have a friend of yours and then you can sit together and you can talk to each other. That will be better because that will also improve your spoken English. Very good. So I think it is clear to you. And for today you have got keep distance to keep corona away. Take care of your health, take care of your academic activities, spend time in a constructive way till we meet again. Bye. Have a nice day.